Hello friends, I am Simpy from Western Overseas. In today's tutorial, we will discuss repeat sentence question type of PTE. In the last video, we discussed read aloud. Now this is a time for the repeat sentence question type. Let's start with some general facts. Task: listen to recording of a sentence, repeat the sentence. Integrated scoring or the sub-skills tested: listening and speaking. Time to answer 15 seconds. Prompt length 3 to 9 seconds. How this question is scored? The scoring depends on 3 factors: content, oral fluency, pronunciation. Content: it is scored by testing the number of correct word sequences in your response. Oral fluency: it is determined if your rhythm, stress and phrasing are smooth. Pronunciation: it is scored by determined if your language is easily understandable by most of the English speakers. A candidate can easily score 79 plus in a PTE. The only thing required is right institute, right training and the right strategies. So this is a time to get the right strategies. Now I'll give you some of the tips that help you to get the perfect score. So what you have to do, learn it and follow it. Let's start with some tips. Tip 1. When the audio starts, try to remember the sentence, the words in it, and the most importantly, the meaning conveyed. Tip number 2. Do not try to mimic the speaker. Instead, try to understand the tone and bring the same expressions in your response. Tip number 3. Try towards chunking together as you listen. Tip number 4. Practice, practice and practice means listen more English sentences. Next tip, practice by listening more radio channel, podcast and other audios. Next one, pay attention to the speaker's voice, to the intonation, rhythm and rate of the speech. Last but not the least, speak slowly for the better pronunciation. Sometimes speaking hurriedly may result in poor pronunciation. Many of our candidates have achieved their desired score by practicing on this comprehensive PTE practice portal. You too can rush towards your dream destination by practicing here. So what you're waiting for? Log on to westernoverseas.online.